yeah, yeah. Lights are on the moment you arrive. Confidence is glowing in your eyes.
So, another wedding for today. So, I have my team red with me. And we're here at the Maple by the Solange here in Tagaytay. So, I'm here with the one and only Eat Girl, Eat Boy, Feeling. And then, we actually have here our baby Zio is with us and he is sleeping here at the back there. So kasama namin siya for today's event. So our bride for today is she booked us in a bridal fair. So kasama si Paul sa bridal fair. So ang binook niya sa amin is the hair and makeup for the bride and for the entourage, and of course yung kaniyang souvenirs with the Flex Medaya. So I'm going na be. Bye ka na. So I'm going now at the holding area because we're about to start the makeup. So bababa po tayo. Going to the holding area with the team red. Okay. So, dito yung magiging, dyan yung magiging reception niya later here. Yan. At dito sa baba ang holding area and ang makeup room. So doon naman ang ceremony area niya dito. Diyan. Sa garden. Ano na? Wala pa si bride sa baba? Let's go na! Oh, let's go na! So I have here the one and only Kuto Girl, Ayaka Sarampay, at the one and only Giningatra.
Miss Jenny.
Miss Jenny nga.
Ang apelido ay
So dito ang
kanyang
ceremony.
The reception look.
Oo. So dito tayo sa basement.
Dito tayo magdadala.
Napaka-tarik ng hagdan. Hi! So, we're gonna enter. Morning po. So, eto na. Naka-set up na sila. So, this is my station. This is the nurse station. And this is the other station. This is the police station. Yan. Uy, kuha tayo electric pan. Isa, ay no. Lagay mo sa atin. Ganyan nyo naman.
Gusto ko tayo sa aircon.
Okay na, para malamig.
Mas malamig sa part nyo.
Kailangan ng support ng hangin. Kasi medyo malaki yung area eh. Saksak mo na lang dyan sa pambuhukan ni Ayaka Sarampay.
Doon si Aya.
Dito. Ayan o, extension.
Dalawa lang yung ano ko eh.
Isaksak mo na, Gemini. Ah. Okay, so hindi pa tayo nagpipika, mga chimps. So kailangan magpika na tayo for the better. Asan na? Meron na to? Ang hina naman. Ang hina, mas malakas pa yung hingal ko dyan eh. Huy. Lakasan mo naman. Mas malakas pa yung hingal ko eh. Ay, the one and only. Boe era.
Kung tinignan mo sa taas kung may mga mimili.
Dan Boe.
Nagalo nga yung anek.
The one and only. Oo. Ayun yung sa inyo, oh.
Tapos may aircon na kayo.
Pandagdag support yan for the better.
Pinadala namin ito. Siyempre ko na maganda. Kita ba?
Milo coffee. Ay, ice cream.
Ano yan? Si Marmora din may video. Bakit?
Gagawa niya.
So si JC walang walang video ngayon.
Tasin ko lang. Mistake lang.
Ulit. Isa pa. Ulit. Dali na naka-vlog ka. Ayesha na. Ayesha's turn. Ayan na, Ayesha. Ayan na, shout out na kay ni Mar. Okay. Bakit nagkulot ka? Si Gemini naman.
Go, Len.
Paano?
Magaling pa ako sa meron sa'yo, JC.
Baka di yung pala kita gumiling si Gemini. Magkakaanak ba yan kung di marunong gumiling yan? Magkakaanak pa ba yan at the age of 48?
48 puta.
Menopause na.
Bakit ang mga nandiyan sa
May ganun nga kasi doon na step.
Saan ba yan? Sa mamanta niya?
Cat's eye. Cat's eye. Diba?
Yun sa Coachella. Coachella Day 1. Kasabay ng beat.
Walang-wala naman sila sa... Walang-wala ang bini sa Cat's eye. Ay, may star witness. Ano ka, magpa-file ka ng kaso? Ano yan? Leche. So we're gonna start na. We're just waiting for our first clients. And for the bride is here. So they're starting na.
to the final touch. We listen close and care so much. Every detail shaped with art and grace to bring out beauty in every face. Professional hands with a gentle way. Wally products that last all day. Expert art is friendly and true. Great results designed for you. From soft elegance to bold glam, we match your dream with the perfect plan. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamword. Teamword by Redga, ahead of the rest. Feel flawless, feel confident, shine instead. Your special day deserves the best. Bridal beauty made to feel divine. Every look polished perfectly on time. Weddings day boots, photo shoots too. Everyday glam created for you. With passion, care and quality, we craft your look beautifully. Friendly rates with excellent results. Trust built strong from hearts we consult. Every face we touch, we honor the moment with love, commitment and full devotion. From simple glow to grand display, we walk with you all the way. Book your Teamword today and see special promo packages waiting for thee. Designed to make you flawless and free. On your big day, shine endlessly. Grateful to be part of your story. From everyday glam to lasting glory. Once in a lifetime or moments small, we show up ready to give our all. For every client, every occasion, we deliver beauty with dedication. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamword. Teamword by Redga, your beauty is led. High quality service, personalized and true. Every moment made beautiful with you. Soft smiles, lights fade slow. Memories made, let your beauty glow. From now to always, remember this thread. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamword. Lights are on the moment you arrive. Confidence is glowing in your eyes. From the first brush to the final touch, we listen close and care so much. Every detail shaped with art and grace to bring out beauty in every face. Professional hands with a gentle way. Wally products that last all day. Expert artists, friendly and true. Great results designed for you. From soft elegance to bold glam, we match your dream with the perfect plan. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamword. Teamword by Redga, ahead of the rest. Feel flawless, feel confident, shine instead. Your special day deserves the best. Bridal beauty made to feel divine. Every look polished perfectly on time. Weddings day boots, photo shoots too. Everyday glam created for you. With passion, care and quality, we craft your look beautifully. Friendly rates with excellent results. Trust built strong from hearts we consult. Every face we touch, we honor the moment with love, commitment and full devotion. From simple glow to grand display, we walk with you all the way. Book your Teamword today and see special promo packages waiting for thee. Designed to make you flawless and free. On your big day, shine once in a lifetime or moments small. We show up ready to give our all. For every client, every occasion, we deliver beauty with dedication. Choose something that lasts, choose Teamwork. Teamwork by Red Guy, your beauty is led. High quality service, personalized and true. Every moment made beautiful with you. Soft smiles, lights fade slow. Memories made, let your beauty glow. From now to always remember this thread. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamwork. Yeah, yeah,
Yung mga hairs sa unahan. Spray mo.
yeah.
I'm a bitch. I'm a boss.
Sweet girl ang pacing.
Sige, pati yung smell na may ipin yan. Ganda. Nice. Okay, one more. Sige, dun tingin ka dito sa hand ko. Sige, yung walang smile pero open lang yung upper teeth ng konti. Sige po. Nice. Ayan, ganda niyan. Maintain lang. Kasawa ka sa hair mo ng konti dito. Dito sa kabila. Yan. Okay, one more. Then, eyes here. Baba yung hand. Then, ganda ka ng konti. Yan. Parang dito sa gilid mo ng konti. Yan. Okay. Nice. Then, look down. Then, open. Eyes here. Then, move here. Smile. Okay, go. Ramp ka na.
Trust built strong from hearts we consult. Every face we touch, we honor the moment with love, commitment, and full devotion. From simple glow to grand display, we walk with you all the way. Book your Teamwork today and see special promo packages waiting for thee.
Napitin mo, ma'am.
Make you flawless and free. On your big day, shine and let's leave.
Labas, shooting na po si Bride. Ayan po. Ayan na po si Bride.
Grateful to be part of your story. From everyday
Ayan po si Bride. Hi po sa vlog, madam.
once in a
Yan. Nagbablog kasi kami, madam.
moment small.
Nagbablog kami.
We show up ready to give our all.
Yes.
For every
Thank you so much.
every occasion, we deliver beauty with dedication. Choose something that lasts, choose Teamwork. Teamwork by Red Guy.
Ganyan lang yan. Ganyan ka lang. Ganyan nga lang.
High quality service, personalized and true. Every moment made beautiful with you.
Ng konti. Bati lang.
Smiles, lights, fade slow. Memories made, let your beauty glow. From now to always remember this thread. Choose something that lasts. Choose Teamwork.
pa-update kita ba siya? Mag-keep, ano pa, kung kanino po kayo. Ano nga, jowa mo ba sila pala sa mag-update? Ano yung hindi pa, hindi pa doon. Sinalo. Hindi ka ba? Hindi ka ba? O, yan lang. Paano nung makapisada? Be careful. I will stop it.
Why naman eh?
No, nilagyan ako sa Lara. Yan. Ito nga, ginawa ko ngayon sa Cebu City. Kasi yung mga nilagyan ng Ano siya mga ano? Pangeko. Sa pangeko. Be careful.
Everyday glam to lasting glory. Once in a lifetime, a moment. We show up ready to give all. Every kind, every occasion. We deliver beauty with dedication. Just something else, just Teamed by red guy lilies led. High quality service, personalized and true. Every moment made beautiful with you. Soft smiles, lights fade slow. Memories made, let your beauty glow. From now to always remember this day. Choose something that lasts. Choose team.
Ilang side ako bakla? Wala.
From everyday glam to lasting glory. Once in a lifetime.
Natawag ko pero hindi mo narinig. dahil ba nga nag-cheesy ko rin.
Every client, every occasion, we deliver beauty with dedication to something that lasts to steamer. Steamered by red guy, your beauty is led. High quality service, personalized and true. Every moment made beautiful with you. Soft smiles, lights fade slow. Memories made, let your beauty glow. From now I'll always remember this way.
So we are already done with our makeup. So they're starting the ceremony now. So we're doing the ceremony here. Here. So it's a garden wedding. So that's our couple for today. Yeah, it's a garden wedding, so they're starting the ceremony now.
Walang hanggan, dakilang kawis, tapat kang ang puno. Magmula pa sa ugat ng nangyari, mundo'y magunaw man maasal kang lagi, maging hanggang pagkaslitong.
So, like what I've said kanina, we are together with the Plex Media team. So, our Plex Media team is here. Paul is here. Ayan. Feeling mo be? So, alone siya ngayon. Alone in the dark. Feeling. Ano mas pupunta si Maru dyan? Mga 4? Mga 5? Okay, so tutulungan siya ni Maru for today. So, ngayon naman, pupuntahan naman natin ang mga bakla at si Sio. Kasama namin si Sio for today. So, ito ang dalawang baklang pangit. Ayan.
Napaera ka na.
Nakita nyo pa yon? Nakita nyo pa yon? Anong gagawin nyo dyan?
Thomas!
Suba-suba?
Nomo.
Nomo-nomo muna.
Road. Ay! Kakain kami. Binili din sila yun.
Gago.
Oo nga.
Asa sila?
Sa tindahan nga.
I-message mo, sabihin mo bilang Coke.
Walang signal ni.
Meron dito sa labas. Sabihin mo, bili akong Coke, Dam. Dam. Leche. Dam, i-message mo na. Sabihin mo, ibaysong akong Coca-Cola.
Nachat ko na.
Ng isang malamig na
Coca-Cola!
So here is our holding area, our room for today, for our retouch here. It's only Sio here. So kasama namin si Sio for today. At ayan, nakitulog pa siya sa holding area ng couple. So later we will do our retouches here. Okay, so tabihan ko lang si Sia matulog. Then later, we're gonna do the retouch na. Okay. So we're gonna have some rest muna here inside the holding area together with Kyoso and Nyuleng Chi. Nyuleng, asa na yung Coco?
Wala ka naman sinabi. Para kang...
Talaga to. Alam mo, mga selfish talaga kayo eh. Sarili nyo lang iniisip nyo eh. Alam mo, naghahanap ako ng coke kanina. Ikaw lang talaga bumiling hayop ka.
Hindi ko alam kung alam ko, hindi mo alam kita.
Alam ko ba? Alam ko lang din.
Yung nakaraan,
Alam nyo yan.
Hindi ka na nagsabi.
Oh, di ba? Oh, alam mo na, di ba? Oh, ba't di ka pa bumili ngayon?
Oo nga.
Nagkusa ka na pala nung last time eh. Di ba? Tanga kayo.
Sige mo si Siyo, pabili mo.
Pares kayong tanga.
Hindi ko pala mo lapit.
Bimili ka na ngayon. Lapit-lapit lang eh. Tanga ka eh. So we're gonna sleep muna. And with Zio. Here. So okay, so we're just here outside. And kakakising lang namin from our rest. So obviously mga kang bagong gising. And we're here outside and waiting for the couple for their retouches before going to the reception. So we're here again outside, and I have here, they're sleeping here in the couch. So as you can see, that is the babalina, JC. And the horsey horse. The one and only horse. Isa kang Isa kang iha. Ayan na si Bride. Oh my God. Ayan na si Bride. Okay, here's our bride. Congrats! Congrats, madam. Siyo! So may makulit na bata. Siyo, sit down only. Oh, they're having a shoot. Oh, sige. Sit down only there. Don't go out. Okay.
Coffee cart and more. And then also really prepared.
So may batang makulit on our wedding. Yan. So here's our couple. Here.
Gang, ano kayo guys? Go, go, bas! Guys, lakad na lang kayo papunta rito. Medyo masaya lang ha. Hindi po kakain ng pika. Ari!
Supak.
Closer guys, closer, closer! Closer guys, closer! Get walk again, 1, 2, 3, go! Suho niyo yung camera, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Okay guys.
Picture tayo sa couple.
Hindi ba ito? Pabagsak talaga.
Kain muna kayo
Madam, magmaintindihin niya kami bahala.
Ah, sure.
Papapadalo lang sa vlog.
Thank you so much, Team Red, for making us so
Thank you
You're
po.
welcome.
very good mothers. Ay,
Sir,
very good
picture lang
Barbies.
tayo.
Yes, picture lang.
Kami na naman natira eh. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, wait lang, baby.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you po. Yes po.
Thank you so much sa inyo.
Thank you po. So, ayan po, syempre, after the retouch.
After the ceremony.
After the retouch, at ayan na po ang inuupakan nila. Okay, hindi nyo binigyan sila Gemini. Bigyan mo si Paul ng lechon. Lagyan ko sila. Kay Paul na to, lagyan ko sa lechon. Kila Maro to, tsaka kay Paul.
Ginagaya mo na ako sa mga ano.
Okay.
Dahil tayo ng tuwas sa kalahas, hindi tayo bumawi.
Talo kayo sa sugal, pati si Ayesha.
Panalo ako.
Hi, baby!
Okay mo, Dada.
Okay na, Ra.
Pagtaas pa natin.
Ay.
Di ba tayo yung mga yaya? Maganda.
Magawang po niya sa mga
Hindi naman kayo mata pobre. May mata
Anong
pobre
mayaman?
na. Kasi dito yung ano. Lola.
Gas na.
Lola ka daw po.
Ina Keshi.
Salsa. Tomato beef.
Gago ka, gusto mo pa iuwi yun, no? Sabi ni Bride, hindi daw.
Ano lang yan eh. Hindi na makakain yun.
May sabi niya, ito lang daw nasa plato. Parang sabi na ito nila ni Kendra.
Ginamit mo sa mukha,
Ay!
sabi niya lang, ano yung mema?
Eh, yung sabi na ito nila ni Yasi. Yung inuumpog-umpog na siya.
Ito
Mama.
may bagong rap, oh. Kasi tatuhod ako sa ilong gago.
Oh, dugo.
Kind of
No more na.
Ito na yung bagong rap eh. Pangit.
Walang bagong rap.
Maraming ng plastic po.
Ang rap, wala. Parating bugbog. Parating lamado. Diyos ko.
Ano kasi Superman?
Bakla ano to? Putang ina mo.
Ano yan?
Kailan niya? Kakalita. Saan ba? Ako kasi nag-video ako nito na mag-isa. Akin na, alam ko yung nakita ko pa.
Hala! Tingnan mo yung IG niya.
Kilala ko bago ni Joe.
Ay nako,
Hindi
J.
na namin sasabihin sa'yo.
JC, kahit itago-itago, malalaman at malalaman ko yan.
Kasi parang.
Kilala mo ko.
Sa amin nga eh.
Ano?
Nagdulang ako sa ano, nawala na naman. Parang ko si boss eh.
Hindi ko si John feeling ko lang.
Oo, nag-feeling. Tapos tinuturuan, alam na alam ko ano yung isasagot ng bata. Tinuturuan niya kung ano yung isasagot sa akin. Sabi niya na kay Justin, pag tinanong ka ni boss, sabihin mo, ganyan ah. Sige, palaps mo, dali.
Paano mo na?
Ayun. Wala mo. Ayan. Yan na ba ang bagong rap? bugbog na naman.
Ito ang pag-iigat ito.
Yan ang bagong rap, bugbog na naman. Ano yun? Diyos ko, rap, palagi ka nalang bugbog.
Ito ang bugbog.
Pati ka lang kasing ano, puro angas ka lang eh. Ice creams? They play with the ice creams, not a toy.
Yes, sir. 8% silang lalaban. Going once. Nakapag-charge sila. Going twice. Going thrice. Yes, sir. From what table number? Table number 1 by 3 points. Congratulations. Okay. Sige, ito. First 3 kasi magko-compare tayo ng result. Okay? Magbigay. Ito po ang mga items na ito or mga hinihingi ko po ay galing po sa lista ni na Alvin at Donna. Ano lang po disclaimer. Okay, magbigay. Top 3 ang tatanggapin ko muna para may comparison. Magbigay ng cellphone na may pinakamataas na GCash amount.
Maru, go!
Laban eh.
Wala.
So, again, 3 points din po ito. Top 3. Ayan, sige laban.
Okay, ay lagi mo yung ganito. Wow!
Lagyan mo ng salsa ito. Tapos ihagis mo ng kamera.
Ano yung cheese?
Ito, hindi yung cheese yung pula.
Parang bowl.
Ikaw na, oh.
Ikaw na magagis.
So we're gonna do a diaper prank.
Prank talaga may init. Prank talaga bang
So ayan, kunyari ho may boe pero cheese po ito. Tama?
Tama.
Okay, so ano hong gagawin natin?
Ihagis sa dalawa.
Okay, tara, samahan niyo ako.
No, kaya mo na yung buhos.
Sir, rank po sa 15. Yung parang block 9. Sige, rap.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Yak! Yak ka din si...
Talaga sa earn. Hindi yung ano, oo.
It's a prank! It's a prank!
Gamit yan?
It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! Say it's a prank! Say it's a prank! Okay.
Nabitin naman kami doon. Hello, check. Anong table to? Table number 4. Okay, hello, check. DJ, let's
Oh!
the beat.
It's a prank! Alam mo ang arte mo, Raph?
Mas malagpit talaga yan.
It's a prank! See you, go here. There's a dragonfly there. So, successful po ang prank natin. Natakot ho sila na para bang...
Pinagis mo.
Hindi, ginugod ko sa mukha ni Raph. Tapos sabi niya, ay hindi to tae.
Ayoko na mas masakit sa katawan.
Ulit. Masakit sa ganito.